All right, what do we got today? Oh wow! So I'm up here doing a service call. Got some serious leaking going on. Looks like somebody came here already. This is funny. So obviously this metal's been put on wrong. It's lifting the shingles up. It's making the water all back up, pool back into the house. So we're gonna get that fixed up. I'm gonna I'll strip out the bottom 3 or 4 rows of shingles, ice it up, take the metal off, put new metal on, put it on with the right pitch so that it has an even slope. This right here, it's just garbage. That's garbage. All right, so we can already see some of this, some of the water damage. Just because this metal was installed wrong, it's lifting up the shingle. It's creating a pool area. See, like this? That's water. That was going down through that nail head. Now that's not just the only spot. Like there is ice and water under here, but believe me when I say ice and water is not 100% waterproof. If there's nails in it, it's gonna find the holes. It's gonna go inside. So this is like this. This is gonna be like this across this whole entire bottom of the perimeter of the roof, especially over here. Lots of divots. Lots of low spots. So we'll get back when we get this all ripped off. Surprise, surprise, surprise. So turns out when I got in here, it's not actually just the fault of the bad install with the drip edge that's putting this divot into the bottom edge of the roof. This roof line on the slope part, it should have been cut down a couple inches lower so it doesn't lift everything up. It's backing everything up underneath the shingles and it's leaking down into the condominium. So it's like it's a little more work here than I thought. So it looks like whoever did this roof, they noticed this problem here that I'm here right now to fix. So I guess their way of trying to eradicate the problem was they were trying to shim it up before they put their starters on. So yeah, no guys, that shit ain't gonna fly. Look at that. It's been leaking since day one. Soak them wet under there. Alright guys, so here's what we're looking at so far. I got the shingles torn down to the wood so we can see where all the leaking's coming in from, and we can see the reason why, okay? So here, check it out. This is what I mean, this roof line here should be cut down lower than this. This is making like it's like creating a wall. It's back and allowing all the water to back up, the ice and all that other stuff. This particular part here, it looks like it's actually going down, probably leaking down into the front as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chalk a line this. I'm going to cut this all back. I'm going to re-ice and water shield it, make some new drip edge, and then I'm going to re-shingle it. See, it's like that in all kinds of spots like that. Even here, the trusses themselves, I'm going to have to shave those down. This is it's just a really bad build. So I'm going to get this cut and then carry on. Alright, so it's time to go home now. Remember guys, don't be a fucking hack. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go get a belly full of food. Let's see what we got. Fucking ladder every day. Need a partner.